Hello guys, so we are back again on another tutorial. So today we are going to see how we can generate a voiceover or create a voiceover on Canva. So most people at times when they want to create, they will actually be going to 11 Labs because they feel that 11 Labs is going to actually give them what they want. And it's just like you are paying for a level lab and at the same time you are paying for Canva Pro and you're still using both. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can just pay for your Canva Pro and you are going to be enjoying what a level lab will also give to you. All right, so the first thing we need to do now is to create a workspace. Is either you use your YouTube video, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Shorts, whichever one. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on YouTube video. Alright guys, so if you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to please subscribe, turn on the notification because more and more videos are coming in. Alright, so if you also like to get your Canva Pro for free, if you would like to get it for free, you can just do well to hit me up or come over to the comment section and say, please, I would like to get my Canva Pro for free. Or you can check out my video by the end of this tutorial on the 3 steps I shared there on how you can get Canva Pro for free. All right, so this is my workspace. The next thing I need to do now is to see how I can now create my voiceover on my Canva. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to scroll down and come over to apps here. On my apps here, I'm just going to be searching for voiceover here. I'll be searching for voiceover. All right, so when this pops up, you're going to be seeing different applications that you can actually use for your voiceover. You can pick any one of your choice. But now you might actually be wondering, there is one particular one that will work out well for you. Now I've tried most of them, and the one I actually prefer to use is Aurora Voice. Now this is it right here, Aurora Voice. I'm just going to click on it and then I'm going to continue the process. So like I said when I started, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you would like to get the Canva Pro, you can do all to come over to the comment section, or by the end of this video, you are going to be seeing the video on how you can get your Canva Pro for free. All right, so let's continue. Now on Aurora Voice, I'll be clicking on this right here. Now with this, you can actually get your voiceover and just save it because you're using the Canva Pro, and then you can take it to maybe your CapCut or whichever software you want to use in editing, and then you can add it. Most of you that are even creating blogs, creating kids videos, animated videos, even African folktale stories, it is possible for you guys to get your voiceover from here and take it there if you want to be using AI voiceover. All right, guys. So this we're just going to give you some time. All right. So now when this pops up, here we have enter script. This is where you get to put in the script. We have 3,000 words we can actually insert here, and then the voice, you can change the voice to any of these of your choice. Like this is actually amazing. Just paying for your Canva Pro, and then you have all of this to enjoy. This is actually nice. All right. So this is what we are going to be doing now. We are going to be inserting a script. All right, so here I have entered my script, and then what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to come here and click on generate voice. All right, so this has actually created my voiceover. So what I can just go ahead to do is to play it because it has inserted my voiceover here for me. So this is it. In fact, it is very simple, like so easy. You can just go ahead and try this on your own. In fact, even with your phone, you can be able to generate something like this. So now you can go ahead in using it for your African folk tales, whatsoever. In fact, doing all of that, you can do this on Canva. So see why Canva is so amazing to use. All right, guys. So this is just all we are going to be discussing on how you can actually get your voiceover on your Canva. All right, so would you like to get your Canva Pro for free? Check out the next video, and then I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Do not forget to please subscribe, like, share this video, and I'll see you.